Did smokers' cough lead to COPD chronic bronchitis diagnosis? Have you ever heard someone mention smoker's cough and wondered what it really means? This term often refers to a persistent cough that many smokers experience. But did you know that this cough can actually be an early sign of chronic bronchitis, a major part of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease? Chronic bronchitis is defined as long-term inflammation of the airways. It is characterized by a cough that produces mucus for at least 3 months into consecutive years. This cough is not just a normal reaction to smoking. It indicates airway damage and inflammation that can lead to chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Smoking is the primary risk factor for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, including chronic bronchitis. When a person inhales smoke, it irritates the airways, causing them to become inflamed. This inflammation leads to excess mucus production, which triggers that chronic cough. Over time, this inflammation can narrow the airways, making it harder to breathe. Not everyone who smokes will develop chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, but a persistent cough with mucus is a warning sign that lung damage may be happening. If you or someone you know has this cough, it is important to seek medical evaluation. Symptoms of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease usually develop slowly and worsen over time. Initially, a smoker might brush off a chronic cough as just smoker's cough. However, this symptom can indicate the onset of chronic bronchitis. As the disease progresses, other symptoms may appear, such as shortness of breath, wheezing, chest tightness, and frequent respiratory infections. To diagnose chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, healthcare providers often use lung function tests, such as spirometry. This test measures airflow obstruction and helps confirm the presence of chronic bronchitis or emphysema. Recognizing smoker's cough as a potential early symptom of chronic bronchitis is important. Early diagnosis and treatment can help manage symptoms, slow disease progression, and improve quality of life. Treatment options may include quitting smoking, medications to open airways and reduce inflammation, pulmonary rehabilitation, and vaccinations to prevent infections. In summary, a persistent smoker's cough is often the first symptom that leads to a diagnosis of chronic bronchitis, which is a key form of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It signals airway inflammation primarily caused by smoking, and timely medical assessment is essential to confirm chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and begin appropriate management.